Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix laptop lagging after we unplug the charger on Windows 11 or 10. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go on search and then you just need to write edit power plan. And then we need to select a power options, and here you need to select power saver. If you don't see power saver, you just need to create a power plan, just name it, select power saver and complete the steps, and the power saver will appear. Then what we need to do here is to press change plan settings, and then this window will open up. Then press on change advanced power settings and you will have this window here. And then under the processor power management minimum processor state, you should see system cooling settings. But if you don't see these settings like here, I will show you how you can enable as well. All you need to do here is to just right click on your desktop, create new text document. Once you create new text document, open it, right? And then you just need to paste the code in the video description below. Then you need to save as. Then you need to make sure to all files, and then you can name it. So for example, system cooling, right? And then .reg. Make sure it's .reg, right? And save it. Once it's saved, you should see that basically file. And then you just need to open it, right? Press yes. And you should get this message here. And you should get this message here now. Then we need to go back. And then you just need to press on system cooling policy, and on battery you need to make sure to add active, not passive. Okay, apply. Okay, and now your computer should not be lagging when unplugged. So that's pretty much it.